Hello, planners. It's week 29 and I'm shaking things up this week. I'm shaking things up. And it's so strange that this is what's going on with my planning journey. If you were here from the beginning or have seen any of my videos, I am currently planning in the horizontal Monday Start Laurel Denise planner that looks like this. It's gorgeous. It's the coolest planner. And I got this I ordered it in December. I started planning in January, and I have done a video every week of planning in this video. And I'm having a lot of fun learning how to plan, learning how to get what's in my head down on paper and getting more organized. And the whole point of this was so that I would be accountable and I would use this planner. And fast forward to April when Laurel Denise announced and debuted some new planners. And I bought this new planner, the book-bound. This is a vertical layout. So it looks like this, where it's top to bottom vertical versus this one, which is horizontal, where the day information goes left to right. Anyway, I started using this planner last week because it is a dated planner, July 1st, 2025 through June 2026. And so I was holding on to it to use, okay, is this the second week? So 2 weeks ago. So I was wrong, sorry. I've started using it because this is now the 13th, I believe. And it's Sunday the 13th. So yes, this was my second week using it last week. And I didn't use the original planner. I just used this one. I was thinking that I could use both planners and try to figure it out. I realized that this was sitting on my desk and it was calling my name. I used it. I wrote in it. I did. I used this. And this planner is just kind of sad. There's not a lot of stuff in it. There's a few things. There's like dinners and a few little things over here, and I made like a few little things. No, I just didn't go in it. I was reading a lot of the posts in the Laurel Denise Facebook group, and people were talking about jumping from one planner to another. There was other women who use more than one planner, and I thought, okay, I can do this. I can use 2 planners. No, I can't use 2 planners. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, because now this is a planning video that was meant to be about this planner, and now we're gonna be planning in this planner. So what do you think? I think you just have to use what is right for you. And I really tried. I really gave this big OG planner as much as I could, right? And then this shiny new girl came into my life, and I'm kind of loving this one. Now, I haven't done any decorating. It's just been me writing with my erasable pen. I've added just some washi tape, and I've added just 1 or 2 little stickers. I haven't done any decorating, but I kind of want to decorate it. So I need to look into that and figure out what I'm going to do. But I'm going to stick with the July as I know it in here. I'm going to stick with this for July, and then maybe August I'll add in some extra decorating. I don't know. I'm really torn, but I really like the vertical kind of blocking my time and listing in here. I think that is more my brain than going left to right. So with that being said, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do as far as setting up my planner for next week. I'm kind of thinking, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this around so I can visually show you what I'm thinking, and then we can review it together at the end. So as always, I'm going to do it overhead I will speed up where I'm not talking. I will mark the next sort of chapter, so you can either jump ahead or stick with me while we're doing this. And then regardless of which way you want to go, if you want to follow or you want to skip, I will meet you for a wrap up at the end. And yeah, so let's get planning my planner for week 29. And with that, let's take a look. Here we are in the original planner right here. And as you can see, I just added a few little things and I tried to get in here. I have, you know, a few appointments, I have the food, and then over here, I kind of just added a few things because I wanted to catch up, and I have like a little packing list over here, but that's it. That's all I put in here. And then let's take a look at my new book bound. And this is the week. So I did a lot more stuff in here, and this seems to work with my brain. Now, I don't know if I want to keep this washi here, and I don't know if I want to keep the time over here. And I have seen some other videos of planning in the book bound. But what I'm thinking, and this is, call me crazy, I know, I'm kind of crazy. I already put some stickers in here. For instance, I did this, I went ahead and did all these stickers. So do I take this and see if I can move this and put them in here? That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm going to do a little switcheroo and take this sticker. I got a little excited and move this over here. Now, the one thing that's kind of bumming me out is that I already laid down all of August, and August looks so pretty. And I can't remove all this, but I think I'm really going to try to use the book bound going forward. I'm just going to throw caution to the wind and not worry about the fact that I've already purchased and laid down these stickers. I may buy a few extras in this colorway or this August, I think this is called Bookworm, buy a few more extras and maybe repeat this in my book bound. Now, this is just, you learn as you go. So I'm just going to take it as a learning lesson, and let's see, let's just try this. Let's just try it for kicks and giggles, I guess we should say. And I'm going to take my tweezers, because you need the tweezers. If you don't have the tweezers, you need to get the tweezers. I'm going to see if I can possibly pull this up. And I don't know if it'll work or not. They usually do work after the fact, but let's see if I can pull this up. Let's see if it's easier with my finger. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. I can pull it up. Ooh, look at that. I pulled it up. So now, I know, are you dying? Are you dying with me? Are you here with me for this? And now let's take this. Let's move this aside like this. And then let's go in to the book bound. And this is the 14th. So this is next week. So this is here. Now I was thinking I could just reuse these like right in here and line this up. What do you think? Do you think I can do that? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Maybe I want to bring it down a little bit. Hold on. I'm new at this, so bear with me. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? Like, just put them in here and just enjoy this and not fret about what we did. Oh, what if I could move everything in August in here? Oh my God, would that be crazy? Like redo my work and save the stickers? I mean, how cool would that be? Okay, so let's continue, and I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna add these in. I'm gonna just make this, the book bound, my new planner, and this is what we're gonna set up. So I'm gonna be quiet, and you can move along if you wanna skip this part, but let's get planning. Let's get these stickers in here. I'm just wondering, do I attempt to pick this up and put it in here? Would that be kind of cool if I just lifted this up? Let's see, if I lift this up, they are restickable. Do I take that and move it over here? Ooh. Let's see, will this work? Oh my gosh. And will it stay? Ooh, maybe I do that. Look at that. Just have a little bit of a stick. I just have to push it down. Okay, that's kind of fun. I think I'm gonna have to do that. Okay, I'm kind of excited about this. This is really cool. That is so cool that they're reusable. I'm really happy about that. Now, am I gonna take all the rest of these? I don't know, but this is such a nice start. And I'm so excited to use this week and plan this out for the week. I don't know if I'm going to use these because if you can see right here, I write kind of big. So I don't know, 7 to 8, 9 to 10. But ooh, this is really getting good. And then I'm being so much better using this space down here for lists. But now that I've decided to go into here all in and not be doing 2 planners because I've removed the stickers, this is going to be a new journey. So let's chat about it. What do you think? Am I making the right decision? I think I'm making the right decision for myself. As much as I love the horizontal and the journey of doing it, and I know I keep using the word journey, but that's kind of like the theme of this video series, but I really loved learning how to use this planner, and I think it was always just a little difficult for me. I think the reason is that it's horizontal. It's also really big, right? It's really big. It's very big when it's open. I do like having and seeing the month view. I do, but I'm wondering if for right now, I just stick with, I'm gonna stick with this for the next 6 months. This one for the next 6 months. So it's gonna be half the year with the horizontal and the next half with the book bound. Yeah, what do you think? And how cool is it that I was able to lift these stickers up and they work? Like, I kind of like that they're not filling the whole square. I love it. So I am going to spend a little, I went ahead and I did the Mondays going forward. And now I'm going to spend a little bit of time by myself thinking about if I want to do other stickers and stuff. And like I said in the pre-chat, I did watch a few different videos on sticker placement from different, I don't even know who they are. I just sort of fell into them in the Facebook group. And so I was watching different ways to do it, and they were using all different planners. So I think I may expand on that a little bit because I don't have that much stuff going on in my life that I need so much space. And I think maybe that was the issue with this bigger horizontal planner. I don't need that much space, but I do need enough space for my handwriting. And I don't know, this is gonna be so cool. I'm so happy with this because I was able to carry this, to the dining room table and work on it. Or when I was up in Disney, I had brought it with me and it fit into my computer sleeve. So this was really convenient. I am worried about getting it messed up. I saw someone had a clear cover for theirs. Now, I don't know if I need to do that. I mean, it's a planner. I don't want to be fussy with it. I just want to use it. I want to get things in the planner. So let's see what happens for the next week. But really loving that I was able to move the stickers in. And yeah, let me know what you think. Am I making the right choice to jettison the original planner and just stick with this? I think for me, I'm happy with this choice. I've been thinking about it for all week. And this morning when I got up and I was having my coffee and I was like looking in here and I was like, oh, maybe I'll just add some extra things into the bigger planner. And I was like, wait a minute, that's just like double work. It's just double work. And I have enough things to do that I don't need to be using and worrying about 2 planners. I need to really focus on getting the list into the planner and checking the list off. So that's it. We're gonna go forward. Yeah, we're gonna go forward with the book bound. And we are gonna put this beautiful OG planner in the cupboard so I can look at it, I can enjoy it, and I may spend a little bit more time right now seeing if I can pull off some of these stickers and moving them into the book bound. I mean, waste not, want not, right? I mean, there's so many good ones and I could use these. I don't know, the big ones may not work. Like these big ones, I don't think I can move these. That might be just ripping the paper, but these little ones seem to work, so why not? I'm gonna try it. Let's see what it looks like next week. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for letting me just chat about what's on my brain and my walk through what I should be doing, helping me decide. I find that a lot of times just talking through the process helps me come up with the right answer. And I think the right answer is moving to the book bound because I'm finding it easier. It works better with kind of my lifestyle and how I think and how I like to write things, and it matches the calendar for the computer, like Outlook. It works with that, it works with it's just that spatially it's working up and down. Maybe I was trying too hard to do the horizontal. So I'm a lesson learned, but I'm not upset about it. I'm actually happy that I've gone and done this and that I've spent 6 months working in this planner and trying to figure it out. But in the end, I'm okay with moving. I'm okay with moving. Thank you so much for being with me. If you have not seen any of the other videos, check them out. I'll link them below. Check out the playlist and stick around with me because next week will be week 30. I'll show you what I did this week with this one. Maybe I'll move some stickers. We'll have August looking really good. I may just go down the sticker rabbit hole. Maybe I'll find some other ones from Planner Kate that may work in this one so that I can decorate it up, because half the fun is having a pretty planner. It makes you want to go in there and play with it and do things in it because you like how it looks. As much as I like the simplicity of nothing in there, it's nice, but I like this more. I like this more. I mean, look how pretty August is. I love this month of stickers, so I don't want to just waste it. So I'm gonna see if I don't know if I can move them all, but let's see what happens. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, letting me just work through this problem and this process with you. And I will see you next week. Yeah, next week for week 30.